So I'm here. So look, this is the different model. So I'm here. Because the motor is like very nice. See this one? This motor is I like. So this one is they check in here at Ramada Hotel. Right? They are check in here. They check in yesterday. Then stay for one night. Then they check in 40 units in here. That's why this Ramada are very famous in Kuala Lumpur. So today they all check out here at Ramada Hotel, so that you can see many motorcycles. So this motor is they have the different model, but the person say is the same brand. Different model, same brand. So that you can see this motor, they said have video la, USB la, and DVD la. So this one is good also. So if you drive along the way, so you can see all the roads. So anything happen, so you can see, and your DVD and your video. And also people also coming here in take video, take picture. Those the foreigner also see and looking this motor. They are not selling. They are come here to every year is one time. So every year they come in Kuala Lumpur. This one they are different places. So we have interviewed one person. They said they are from Penang. So that one very far. So this lady, she want to take picture, take video, because they are look like new looking for the motorcycle that you can see like a police motorcycle, but totally is not. See all this one they are looking. See this motor is nice. This video, this also, this one you can see her video. Okay, USB, DVD. They said, right? So ini cantik motor oh.
Mahal.
Mahal ke?
BMW sama-sama. Pergi Penang, pergi Ipoh.
Ini dia balik mana?
Cepat boleh jalan.
Balik mana? Melaka. Penang. Dia ada tulis Melaka tu. Dia apa? Banyak motor itu cantik.
Satu motor, Raymond satu motor, saya satu motor.
Sir, ini lain-lain motor kan? Oh.
Different.
Oh sama, tapi lain-lain lah. Oh, model, lain-lain model.
Model lain-lain lah.
Macam apa orang kaya ini kan?
Radio semua dah. Yang mau tahu DVD komplit.
Ah? Apa cakap? DVD pun apa?
DVD, video semua tengok boleh. FM ada. Lagi itu GPS ada.
Mana?
Itu di main tank kan? Tank power tu ada macam switch.
Yang ini semua ada video.
Ada ni.
Oh.
Ini ada. Sana display ada kan? Itu ada. Itu. Ini.
Oh.
Dia bukan ni
macam kereta pun kan?
Dia bukan ni macam kan? Bukan ni macam ada DVD, tahu lagu bawa motor.
Oh.
Polis pun tak ada kacau.
Oh.
Sanjo.
Ini yang satu grup kan? Saya first time tengok yang ini macam motor.
Francis tengok. Ganis tengok.
Every year mari sini.
Nanti Ganis tengok.
Last year pun kami. Last time pun ada mah. Oo.
Raymond nama motor ni ya?
Raymond sana.